it also is a challenge to get people to use it, to get people in construction to use it. Because first of all, you got these guys didn't really grow up with computers, right? They're not really tech savvy. Your average construction guy isn't known to be tech savvy, so to speak, right? That is just the imagination for most common people, or most, like, say, most of our audience and listeners. But and so I feel like it's also an obstacle. It felt like it must have been a challenge to get people from going from their pen and paper to getting on the computer and just putting it all in there. And there's also another barrier and challenge of actually learning the software. How did you guys overcome that?
Great question. I would say that in asphalt paving and in, we'll call it horizontal construction or the dirt world, if you
Right.
will.
Mm-hmm,
Um,
mm-hmm,
I think what we see is at like enterprise levels where companies are really big. They have and they use and they have for years used a lot of
mm-hmm,
tech.
mm-hmm.
Kind of where we don't see a lot of tech is in some of the like mid to smaller size shops. And
Right, right.
I do I maybe I'm not painting a clear enough picture as far or an accurate picture as far as not everyone is using just pen and paper. I mean, some guys are
Of course.
using Excel, some guys are using Google Drive to share
Of course.
documents, maybe some
Yes,
Dropbox.
of course.
But a big part of what we're trying to do is, in terms of like how are we bringing that to them, is just to show them the numbers. We have proof that using this software does X, Y, and Z for
Hmm.
company.
Right.
We know that it's not a secret. It's not something we
Hmm.
have to discover, which kind of puts us at an advantage.